love creating with AI. And just like many of us, you probably use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to create personal images, business designs, product visuals, or social media content. But here's something most people don't realize. An AI-generated image can contain information that you never actually see on the image itself. Metadata. And in some cases, this can include information related to the software used to create the file, editing history, technical properties, and even content credentials, or C2PA information. So how can you check what is actually inside your image? And how can you remove metadata you don't need before sharing your file? Let me show you. First, go to EXIFInjector.com. For this example, we're going to use these two images generated with Gemini. Before removing anything, we first want to inspect them. Open the EXIF Viewer tool. Upload your image, or simply drag and drop it into the upload area. ExifInjector will analyze the file. Now scroll through the available information. Open all fields. Then check the additional or other metadata sections. Here, you can inspect the technical information stored inside the image. Depending on the file, you may find things such as the creation software, EXIF information, XMP data, IPTC data, timestamps, technical properties, and other embedded metadata. Some files may also contain provenance information, such as C2PA content credentials. So, what exactly is C2PA? C2PA stands for the Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity. Its purpose is to help establish the origin and history of digital content. Think of it like a digital provenance record that can provide information about how a piece of media was created or modified. It is designed to improve transparency around digital content. Now that we've inspected our image, let's clean the metadata we don't need. Go back to EXIFInjector.com. This time, open the EXIF Remover tool. Upload your image again. You can either select the file manually or drag and drop it directly into the tool. Once the image is loaded, EXIFInjector lets you choose which metadata you want to remove. For a general cleanup, you can select Remove all metadata. Then click Remove metadata. EXIFInjector processes the file and creates a cleaned version for you. When it's ready, click Download. You now have the same visual image with the selected metadata removed. But we don't have to take the tool's word for it. Let's verify the result. Go back to the EXIF Viewer. Upload the cleaned image that we just downloaded. Just like before, open All Fields and inspect the additional metadata sections. Compare this file with the original. You can now see which metadata has been removed. And that's it. You've inspected your AI-generated image, understood what information was stored inside it, cleaned the metadata you didn't need, and verified the final result. One important note: removing metadata does not guarantee that a social platform will classify content differently. Platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube may use additional signals to identify or label AI-generated content. And when a platform requires an AI disclosure, you should still follow its rules. EXIFInjector is about giving you more control over the information stored inside your own files. Before you upload your next AI-generated image, check what's inside it. Inspect it. Clean the metadata you don't need, and stay in control of your files. Go to EXIFInjector.com and try the EXIF Viewer and EXIF Remover today. EXIFInjector. Your creations, your files, your control.